welcome to Chance Life Brick Builds. I've just made a Lego board game called the Log Roll, and now today I'm going to show you how to build it. It works like this. Pull the lever, this massive log will come down, crushing any of your opponents in their path. And to activate it, you just have to land on a white space. Let's get started. So first, you want to build up your walls. Now I recommend using a 16 by 16 base plate, but then leaving one stud off and using 2 by bricks to fill in and make the wall. Then you just want to add some gear wraps 2 bricks high, and tie off something just here, leaving 4 studs here. And then you want to add gear wraps on both sides, but on one side with tiles, you want to add a hole here, so then you can make the mechanism. But on the other, everything remains normal, no hole, but in total you'll need 8 gear wraps. Then you can design your board layout, and I went for this layout. You can copy if you want or make your own. Now after you've done that, you just have to build this stick thingy, 16 studs long, made by 1 by bricks. And you want it to be 2 2/3 tall, which being exactly 2 bricks, 1 tile and a set of plates here. Then you can slide it right in your board so it fits here. Then you can build your log, which consists of 8 of these cylinder bricks, which are the big ones, not the small ones, and 2 8x2 skiers, as shown here. And you want to stick them on both sides, here and here. So then you have a log which looks like this. Then place it on your gear racks. After that, you want to build a little wall to put this thing at the slant. This wall should be 8 bricks tall, the same length as your base plate, and made out of 2 by bricks. Then you can just, to make it easier, take the log out and then just snap it on the bottom. It's a bit hard, but you'll get it in the end. Now after you've done that, you can put your log in, mix 2 counters, which I just use 2 by bricks for, but you can do whatever you want. And you can use a normal dice or a Lego dice, using those Lego dice tiles. Sadly I don't have it, but if you do have it, you can use it. Now you've officially made your own Lego board game. I'll quickly show you a little preview of the game. So I'll be red, my opponent can be blue. I'll start. So I rolled a 6, so I would move 6. And a grey means nothing happens. Now my opponent would roll, them getting a 4, they land on a blue. And the blue should send them back 2 spaces. Blue sends them forward 2 spaces. Now we're both sharing the space. Now hopefully you've got the gist of it, but if you land on red, you go back to blue, forward 2, grey does nothing, but if you land on the white, you need to pull the lever, and whoever's in front, they have to be set back to the start. But there is a twist. If you are in one of these holes, then you're totally safe. So let's say my blue and red buddies are there, but none of them got affected. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe and share. Bye!